Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I'm pretty excited to open this package. So this was dropped on August 20th of 2018 for winter, week number 1. As you can see, when I dropped the video, it says I was experiencing so many problems or issues would not allow me to check out or complete the order. And I keep on clicking over and over again, and then I change my credit card numbers and then everything. So at first I thought I didn't get any of the item that I tried to order. And when I check on my email, it says order confirmation. And I was kind of shocked because normally it says I didn't get it or it will not allow me to check out completely. But somehow after I went back to my email and check, review my email and stuff like that, it showed me the order number, and then this is the shoulder bag, the black color for $74. And then it showed me the $10 shipping, and the tax is about $7.35. So total damage is $91.35 for this shoulder bag alone. Okay, so that is the story of that. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I heard you get a bouncy ball with this order, so I am pretty stoked. Hopefully there's no invoice. Ooh, nice. There was some of the viewers shared the experience, saying that I guess there are some item that you order it, and if you had multiple same or similar item, it will not allow you to check out. But I'm not sure because I ordered this by itself and it still wouldn't allow me to check out, so it's kind of weird. Maybe there was some kind of glitch on their system, or I guess a bot. They try to catch the bot. Oh, I don't know. Oh yes. So you always get this Supreme box logo shopping bag or gift bag. Ooh, nice. Ooh, look at the ball. The bouncy ball with the Supreme box logo inside there. I'm not sure if this is gonna worth some money or what. And I got 2 of the box logo stickers. Okay. This is the original. So let's give you guys a view of this shoulder bag real quick before I unbox it. In case you guys are buying from a reseller, be sure to check it with the bags. There's a hole right here and then another one right there, so the air could come out. And you want to look at this shoulder bag, the barcode. It says fall winter 18 and then B10, and this is the black color. And then the OS. I'm not sure if that's a location or what is that for, but and normally you got this 2 of the clear tape that tape it, and this is fold. And then there's another 2 more hole right here. It says warning to avoid danger of suffocation. Keep this bag away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, bed, carriages, or play. And then there's a PENS number. The bag is not a toy, okay? I'm gonna take that from here. I don't want to mess up the sticker or the barcode. There you go. So this is what the tape look like. It's pretty thin. Okay. Just gonna tape it down. You guys probably wondering why am I so careful to take this out. I take my time and pride because this will be a resale, and then I don't want buyers to open it up and receive the bags all damaged and then this and that. So this is folded one and then two times, okay? The flap. And I'm gonna put it back the way it is. Ooh. And you got this silica gel. Do not eat this or else you will die. So you got the DP. Made in USA. DP is Dimension Polyant X-Pack fabric made in USA. So only the fabric is made in USA. Wow, this is kind of weird design. And this is reflective, 3M reflective. It says outdoor. Powered by what? I'm sorry, it's so small I can't see. Sailcloth Technology, DimensionPolyant.com. And then X-Pack, I'm not sure. Exterior, interior. Woven nylon, face, abrasion resistant, and DWR. So stability and tear strength. Waterproof. Wow. So this one is pretty sturdy shoulder bag. It's gonna be very, very strong. It's gonna last a very, very long time. So you got a zipper right here. You want to check it out. The nuts. I mean the nut that they tied it. It is double. No, yeah. And the zipper, and on the inner lining it has a Supreme. Okay, you got this. There's a hook right here, a D hook. I guess this is a key hook. Yeah, I believe this is a key hook right here. So I'm not sure what the D hook is for. Is it for the shoulder? Let me take out the shoulder strap. Wow, it's pretty long. So it is not for the shoulder strap. Okay. And then you got this nice opening right here, which is Velcro. I'm not sure why this one is not stitched in. Okay, the front one is toward the front is not stitched in. but the one on the inside, it is stitching top and bottom, okay? And you got Supreme on everywhere, right there, right there, right there. A little bit part of it right here. Maybe I should turn on the light, but I'll show you the light later on when I show you guys the 3M reflective. And then this is nice. Got so many compartments. One in the front, one right here, and then let me show you guys right here. You got two at the knitting pocket right here. Okay, and as you can see, it says Supreme, and you got that nice tag, made in China. So apparently the fabric is made in USA, and this is manufactured in China. Maybe that's why there are so many replica is from China. And then there's another big pouch pocket right here. This is nice. Supreme. And on the inner side it says Supreme. And right here on the back it is padded, which is nice. The front is not padded at all, okay? So I'm gonna turn on the lights now, so you guys can see it clearly what's inside, how they sew it. All right, there you go, much better. So get ready to give a close look, okay? Because I don't think anybody on the YouTube is showing what I'm showing you guys. Last time I did like a shoulder bag. A lot of you guys are watching it, and the backpack. So thank you guys for watching those videos. That's why I'm trying to show you guys very detailed, so you guys could do some legit check yourself. Oh, even over here it says Supreme on the side. So the fabric is pretty nice from that's why it's made in USA, I guess. But on this side there's a little S. So I guess not all of them is gonna show on here. It depends how they cut it from the fabric, okay? So I'm gonna fold it back in now. So what they did is they sew the line and then they flap it back. That's what it look like that. So this is 3M right here. Reflective. I'm not sure what is this for. I think it's for maybe in case you need to put the bar or what. There's like a Velcro right here. I think you could put like some kind of through a bar or whatever. Let me check. Let me open this Velcro, see if it's open up all the way. So maybe you could put it like a bike handle or something, and then just pretend you have a bar right here and just strap it down. Strap it like that. Yeah. And then you have something else to penetrate through there. Okay. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this pickup. And there is a buckle right here. And then right here is the adjustable buckle right here to adjust to a different length. Oh, I think I twisted. That's why it looks like that. Put it back. So this is like a premium high quality. You want to compare this and I'll measure the size later on because some of the people or viewers want to know what size is the belt. I mean the straps. Because there are some fake one out there that is too bad it doesn't have Supreme over this strap. Last time I got the other shoulder bag, it has Supreme over it, which is look nice too. And then here is the ball, okay? So like I say, I'm pretty surprised that I got the bag. This is what I was gonna order at the beginning, and I'm glad I got it. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification or drop any comments on below. We're about to hit the 20K soon, so we might do some giveaway. We did some of the box logo sticker giveaway last time, so we'll see. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, make sure you subscribe. Peace.